Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Toca Life World for free in the video. So I might show you guys after then show you for a bit. So let's show you how to install Toca Life app for free. Okay guys, so it got reload and I'll show you this when I unlock the place. So I'll show you the place, what it looks like. Anyway, I was promised by upgrading the app or downloading the app. So as you can see, it's just pretty cool and anyway, this is a tutorial to install it. But actually it keeps lagging the app. Free upspace on Toca Life World. Delete that. So I discovered the game. And then did you see that? It's a glitch, I told you. So, for example, you're gonna go and delete this app first. And for example, I'll show you to install it. And link on the comments down below, I'll show you it. And then, to see what the version is, I downloaded it. And then, to see the version is, here it is. And the version is called 1.2.2. So, see on the screen right here. And here, Rita, Nori, Leon, and Zeke. And this one in the green, all apps in one world. So, all apps in one world, plus locations available to buy. Alright? Here's TikTok Talks, Open Street, Rock City, Omelette Islands. So anyway, and as you can see here, the button, the orange button, you're gonna click on install. And then it's currently installing. The version is just installing. Don't worry guys. I'll show you guys if I unlock everything. So let's just wait and wait. Guys, it just takes forever, like 50,000. So let's wait more. So let's wait. And then it takes really long to install it. I have growth to install it. Alright guys, and see, it is loading up and speeding up. And reacts on the game, go free to install Toca Life World. Anyway, that's the Robo Package theme, that's the trailer, and then you can got everything, but I don't have enough money, so you can also add free gifts every day. And like a month ago, free gift packages from Deco Seconds and you can get them for free. They are available and get everything from your app. So everything's available. Don't worry guys, as I can see. It's speeding up to install the application. So I'm gonna wait. Okay guys, so my favorite part is installing the app. So anyway, it takes every time to install Toca Life World, and then it's the version of 1.2.2. I didn't install it for free, so it's currently for free, and it's full. So I need to wait forever, and then it will just install it, which is for free and available. And still installing the app. I wanted this version, and also free games for the game. Alright, it's almost done, and it's 100%. Alright, it's almost done. Preparing the download. And steps, you guys. So I need a time, but it's a simple way to install this application for me, and which is available. Oh, and this one's up here. Install this application it will have access to. So you're gonna click on next and install. And guys, I will about to show you the internet Toca Life World. So anyway, I'll see you when it's done installing for free, and see you when it clicks. Right. Okay guys, last step, turn off your internet. It really controls your mind. You got it? Alright. So, my favorite cool steps on Toca Life World will install for free. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you when it's good. Okay, it already loaded. Alright guys, now I'll show you the game. Let's see if it's fixed. Let me see, it's now already fixed. Let me see. There we go, I already fixed it. See you guys. So whatever about the stuff about you, just making another video. So anyway, and you will know how to install it for free, and I'll do a tutorial about it. So anyway, thanks for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for the video, and make sure to like, and peace out.